Hi everybody, we have had a nice dry spell of weather, but looks like things will be changing for us. We actually have several chances for precipitation over the next few days. Real weak little system kind of coming through western New England this morning. It is delivering some snow, visibility down to a few miles across parts of 95 from Bridgeport into New York City here as we head into the late morning hours. That system going to be pushing eastward, but it's running into a lot of dry air. So by the time it reaches Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, most of that snow will be gone. It'll just be drying up, but we could get a few flurries or some sprinkles out of it. I want to show you our latest high-res computer model, and you can see that it has a lot of those showers dissipating as they push east into the early afternoon. So maybe a few flakes or sprinkles in the air for the afternoon hours before drying up this evening and overnight tonight. And we'll be back to partly cloudy skies and hold on to some minimal sunshine on Friday, but I am watching this batch of wet weather that you're seeing down in the deep south. That's part of what will be moving our way. It may spawn actually a couple of areas of low pressure that we'll have to watch heading into the weekend as it lifts up to the north and east. So here we are Friday morning, and with high pressure moving out, this will allow this rain to move in. Now notice nothing in the afternoon hours or even early evening. So your Friday daytime and any after work activity should be totally dry. It's not until the later evening, I'm thinking after 10 or 11 o'clock at night, that rain will move in. And will we get the rain? That's one of the big questions. I mean, our computer models have been trending further south and weaker with this system, almost with each run. So right now, this is the RPM model, an American model that we use here, and it doesn't even show the rain reaching Boston. So certainly in southern New England, we're going to be prone to some light rain and drizzle, but this looks pretty minor. And if this computer model is correct, notice how quickly things dry out for the afternoon hours with storm-free weather in the second half of Saturday. Then we've got a potential round 2 over the weekend. So that same area of low pressure will help to spawn a new storm. That one will form off the mid-Atlantic coastline by Sunday morning and then try to track to our north and east. So it does deliver some wet weather again by Sunday evening. And you can see here, if we highlight this little bit of wintry weather over the western parts of New England, and some of that wintry weather could stretch into our far northern communities as this moves through. So for most of us, it'll be rain, but a little wintry mix possible well inland Sunday night and early Monday. So obviously for the Monday morning commute, that is something that we'll have to watch. It's very track dependent, and we'll have a few days to sort of iron out the details, but just want to give you that update that chances are our dry streak comes to an end this weekend. WPRI.com going to be your source for updates throughout the day.